Watch this video to the end if you don't want to remain broke in 2024, because this recipe I'm about to give to you will help you stay rich by the time you watch this video till the very end. Now you see, in 2023, those of us that made a lot of money, we made a lot of money because we had skills. And I'm talking about internet skills that can help you make a lot of money in dollars. And you don't need to go to anywhere, even just with your smartphone. Your smartphone alone, your smartphone alone can help you make a lot of money. You understand what I'm saying? Now there are so many skills that you can learn in 2024, because I am tired of you going out there to beg people for urgent 2k. In this new year, you must learn how to do what? Be a giver. Yes, it is possible. Come this life to come broke. You understand what I'm saying? So therefore, there are so many skills such as copywriting, graphic designing, many of them. So my own advice for you guys right now is the fact that you can actually learn all these skills. You understand what I'm saying? Learn skills, internet skills, and you will not be broke in 2024. Because see, this year is not actually for the weak. It is not for the weak. If you know you are weak, you're not even supposed to be in 2024 at all. If not, the sapa you experienced in 2023, it's a child's play compared to what you will see in 2024. So for you that want to keep balling in 2024, go and learn internet skills. There are so many. But for those that want to learn sales and marketing, of course, that is the reason why I am here to teach you. Go and check. I have trained a lot of students that have earned that have made 6 figures just like this. Me myself, I have also used this same opportunity to do this. So just in case you are that person that wants 2024 to be sweet for you, go and learn internet skills. Sales and marketing is a very profitable skill. I am telling you what I know. It's a very, very profitable skill. So guys, if you're ready, just click the link in my profile and me and you will talk on WhatsApp. But until then, I'll be right back.